Guys, what is going on, and welcome back to another car stats video. Today I have, this is called Dundon's, I think that's how you say his name, 992 GT3 Part 1 4K. Okay, by Warshins Media, again, our boy Warshins. Guys, he's almost to 500 subscribers. Get him there, guys. Get him there. Get up to 500,000, and then get me to 1,000. Damn. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for all the love support on the car channel, guys. We're growing great every day. I really do love and appreciate every single one of you guys. And let's check this out. GT3. Is this? It's a Porsche from the thumbnail. It looks like a Porsche. A Porsche. Yeah, it is a Porsche. You know, Porsches came a long way. I remember when I was younger, I didn't used to like the way the Porsches look. I mean, they tweaked the designs just a little bit, but they look amazing now, man. The GT3s are just... If I had money, I know that my favorite sports cars, if I had money, what I would definitely buy, or supercars, what I would buy is a McLean, obviously, off rip, GTR, off rip, definitely a Audi. I fucking love the Audis. And then I think the fourth one would be the Porsche. Just because the GT3s look really nice and it sounds sexy too. Like, look at that. Yeah, this thing looks aggressive. Oh, there's another one.
You know, it's pretty good. But I think we can do better.
From the thumbnail, the wheels are orange. Yeah. Damn. He just downshifted. The downshift sounds so sexy. I'm sorry, he didn't spray paint the wheels. He got different wheels. The black on orange looks nice. Damn, this thing is hot, bro. I'm not a big Porsche guy, but this is nice. Really nice. Yeah, man, it's hot. I like it, bro. It's nice. It's real nice. Yeah, it's real nice. Wow. Dundon's Motorsports. Nice. Oh, it's his own garage. Wow. Wow. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and more is coming up on the car channel. I love and appreciate you guys, and I'll definitely see you on the next one, alright? Peace.